What's up guys? I need help with my sound because it's not working. It's not the speakers, I tried it with my headphones. Right now I'm using the Magic Bullet because my speakers don't work. But when I try playing the song, it skips, and then if I try putting it on, it plays like a commercial or something. Watch. Hold on. By the way, this is QJB using Influence. Put his thing on the bottom. SoundCloud, QJB Media. Yeah, so it's a pretty good song. You have to check it out. Share it, whatever. See that? And there's nothing on. Like, hold up, it's playing a commercial in the background. Look, all I have is SoundCloud and Facebook, and I scroll down all the way to this. I'm scrolling all the way down. I don't see no commercials or nothing. When I scroll, it stops sometimes. So it does some weird stuff. I need help with this. I'm scrolling down. There's nothing. Even when I close both of these, it still would go off. I tried it. There's none. No editor, toolbar, nothing running in the background. Nothing. Okay, let me try to turn this on now. They're just coming in there, hold on.
Told her I was popular, that I drive a Lambo. Got a lot of money, I'm sexy, no homo. Told her I was single, and I like the mingle. Got a lot of chips, stack 'em up like Pringles. Gave her a fake name. QJB, Scottsdale on the beat. Let's get it, man. That's nasty.
Bridges got swag, hard in the paint, and I'm dunking in they mad, man, they wanna be like me.
QJB,
Bridges got swag,
that's how it's gon' be.
Bridges got swag,
Hard in the
team need to crash floors. If you play lower than mine, you need to dashboard. Domination. Show wow. Cause when I'm in the game, the team face to blow out. Ball. Hey, your coach spit is rolled out. 3 balls in your man face. That's in your mouth.
Yeah, so it does that, and I just need some help. If someone can help me with that, and I'm gonna put his link in the description. Below. Here's QJB. Search him on YouTube. Follow him on Twitter. Do everything. He got like 300k followers or subscribers, and he's pretty cool. He's like super cool, and that's it. Yeah. So help me with this, and that's it. Later. I'm sorry, use influence.